Hi, my name's Abby, this is my dad, and this is my sister Rebecca. On today's episode of Cooking with Abby, we're going to be making cauliflower mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese with cauliflower, super easy, super yummy, a little more healthy than your average mac and cheese because we've gone ahead and thrown some veggies in there. We've got two kinds of cheese going on. We have some onions, which aren't necessary, but I find add a little bit of flavor. What else do we have in there? The Dijon mustard, a nice little kick. Breadcrumbs on the top to get it a little crusty.
We just gave you all the ingredients.
What's it called? Sour cream.
Sour cream to make it a little creamier and yummier. Really great recipe, super easy.
We just gave them all the ingredients.
Well, we did, but we
measurement.
didn't. And Abby's gonna point to the side of the screen, and that's where all the measurements are.
And at cookingwithabby.com.
And at cookingwithabby.com.
With the video.
With the video. Always a good place to go for all of our recipes. What was I gonna say? The only thing I wanted to add was that this gets baked in the oven. So if you're looking for an easy nighttime sort of stressful evening and you need to get dinner ready quickly, make it, put it in the fridge, take it out, let it come to room temp for about 30 minutes, then pop it in the oven, and boom, you can have awesome, yummy mac and cheese with none of the work that night. So it's fantastic. Rebecca?
Yes.
Shall we get started?
We shall.
Oh, we shall. I promise, cavatappi. I promise a simple recipe. This is a simple recipe. Before you, we have cavatappi. What?
Cavatappi.
Aren't we making macaroni and cheese? Don't you need macaroni? This isn't macaroni. This is cavatappi.
But macaroni.
Cavatappi?
Can we try this?
Cavatappi.
We're gonna try this with
No,
macaroni.
we're not gonna try it. Oh, with macaroni? No, we are gonna make another macaroni and cheese on this show. And we're gonna make like the creamy, nasty Velveeta-y, but without Velveeta, but like overly gooey, cheesy. This is not that one. Cavatappi.
Cavatappi.
I keep looking at it because it's over there and I'm not that smart and I can't remember. Whatever you're gonna put it in the oven in, half of it filled with the pasta. That's your golden rule. Water, boiling.
It's high now.
How much salt do we put in?
A lot.
Way more salt than you think you need to. But don't worry, it doesn't really affect it. So we're gonna bring this to a boil. We're gonna put in our pasta halfway through, not midway.
Half.
Well, midway is halfway.
Yeah.
We're gonna add our broccoli, which,
Cauliflower.
I don't know why, people. Cauliflower, broccoli, in my head, I always get them wrong. Abby
Cauliflower?
prepped our...
Broccoli.
I was gonna say broccoli again. It's
broccoli
hardwired.
is green. Just refer to it as candy is what I called it as a baby.
I'm familiar with how it works. Abby cut this up earlier into little florets. We're gonna bring this to a boil again. We're gonna add our pasta. Halfway through, we're gonna add our cauliflower.
It starts as the same with cavatappi.
Yeah, it's not gonna work.
Cavatappi.
I don't need tricks. I just need rewiring of the brain. We'll be right back. Careful, don't get burnt. Go.
Dump it.
Ah.
You're like flinching.
I
You're
got
like,
splash.
Cauliflower in at the halfway point.
I'm gonna score. This is a 3-pointer, people.
Do you guys want to watch us for 4 minutes? Just kinda goofing around?
3-pointer! I
No?
did it.
Oh,
I did it.
no one wants. I don't even want to be here for 4 minutes.
Well, you've been here for longer.
It's okay.
I just want to flex a little bit and say,
It's good.
no, perfect amount of pasta. Just saying, right? Just
No flexing allowed.
fling to the top. Flush with the top. That's the F word I was looking for. So, what do we got going on here? We could totally mix this in a separate bowl. I'm lazy and don't like doing dishes. I reserved a little bit of, what's that? That is pasta water. Why?
Pasta water.
Pasta water is
So
amazing.
boiling water with pasta in it.
Yeah, you guys are like TikToking and all doing all kinds of stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take over. No. You guys can
I
TikTok
wasn't TikToking.
and renegade and do whatever it is you all
Renegade's
do.
too old.
Oh, it's too old. That's so 24 minutes ago.
Yes.
I mean, come on. Can't expect me to be that. What? Dijon? Of course, Dijon. Why? Because Dijon.
I don't taste all
Old
these
cheddar.
flavors.
As opposed to new cheddar? No. little more flavor, right?
It looks
Supposed
like
to
the
eat it.
ingredients that you're adding is
burned my tongue.
overflowing the pot. I don't
So
know
what you're saying, what you're suggesting is maybe a casserole. What I don't like is it's rocking, and that's just annoying me.
Because that's our dish. Because our dish somehow got burned.
Warped.
Can't lose
Put
cheese,
on
Dad.
one side, so that the other side.
So as Rebecca was very, very, very smart to point out, too much stuff for one pot. Not really.
Don't you
It's just
usually
too
make it
hard
in
to
a
mix
bigger
it.
one?
What we're gonna do is we're going to bring back the old pot. I'm gonna mix it in. When we're done mixing it all in, just so everything gets in, we're gonna top the top, a little breadcrumb action, into
Homemade breadcrumbs.
a 350 degree oven, ready to go for like 20 minutes. And then if you want to, you can hit the top with a little broil action so that we get some extra crispies on top.
No extra cheese.
Shorter time, yay!
Everybody's a little hungry and would like to eat our mac and cheese. Why did I reserve some of the water over here? In case when I'm done it doesn't look soupy enough, I can add a little bit of that in. Mwah.
The time has arrived.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's out of the oven.
Okay, now I'm digging.
It's crispy. It's
Good.
It's crispy. Rebecca. No. What's your name?
I'm Abby.
Abby
If you
thought-
forget, it's right here.
I do need name tags most of the time. Abby thought we needed
A knife.
a knife. We don't need a knife for this.
A
That's not a
spoon.
knife. I see you've played Knife as Pony before. So many shows all wrapped up in one. Now, do you think this looks too dry? Okay.
No.
Add some more cheese. You think
Yes.
this looks too cheesy? Then take out some cheese.
More cheese.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I've said it before, I'll say it again. What a delicious mac and cheese. So good. It's hot. It's what?
We're half finished.
We're half finished this plate. If you can't tell, it's been a day and we're all a little hungry and we wanted some lunch. Great for lunch, great for dinner, great for that short on time dinner, as I was saying. Just great. Make this mac and cheese, people. It's really easy. Something that I
It's good.
didn't mention. So much better than what you get out of the box. For no other reason than it's much healthier because there's cheese in here and all kinds of stuff that you recognize.
But also,
And there's veggies.
There's veggies.
I can't use that.
It's good, so it's the perfect mix for children.
And you know I couldn't get broccoli and cauliflower straight. This would be just as good with broccoli. See, I got them straight this time.
This is cauliflower.
I'm gonna let these guys finish all this plate. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Much, much more importantly, if you enjoyed this recipe, if you think it looks yummy, share it with your friends. Encourage them to make it. We encourage you to make it. And we will see you next week for some yummy Christmassy desserts. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
See her thumb?
You guys are ridiculous. Ridiculous, I tell you.